I like it. I like it. You guys, this firming solution smells pungent.
It smells nasty.
Hello Linda, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a little experiment, okay? And I'm so excited. So today I am gonna be laminating my eyebrows. Yes, you heard me right. This idea struck me when I was perming my eyelashes the other day. Now I have made a whole video on how I perm my eyelashes at home using a DIY lash lift kit that I bought from Amazon. This is what the kit looks like. So in case if you guys want to know how I perm my eyelashes and what all products you get in the kit, then you can click the video link mentioned over here. So I'm hoping that laminating my eyebrows will give me feathery brows look without having to use an actual soap or an eyelash glue or anything of those tips and tricks that you see floating around on the internet. So in case if you guys want to know how I laminate my eyebrows, then please continue watching. As you guys can see, I've got nothing on my eyebrows right now. If you see, I've got super sparse areas over here and also on this side of my eyebrows, and they droop downwards. Like, can you see the hairs are drooping niche ki taraf? This happens to me with my lashes as well. Only reason why my lashes look this good right now using a regular mascara is only because I have permed them, so they are holding the curl. So I know already how to use this. First, I'm going to be using the cleanser over here. So this is gonna just get rid of any excess oil or moisture that I have on my eyebrows. So yeah, I'm just gonna really nicely clean my eyebrows before I go in with the next step. So once that is done, I'm going to be taking the glue from the kit. I'm going to be applying the glue on my eyebrows. So I'm going to do one eyebrow at a time. Nicely coat my eyebrows with the glue. So while the glue is still wet, I'm going to be setting my eyebrows now. So make sure that you're taking your time in doing this step, because once you set your eyebrows in place with the glue, this is basically how your eyebrows are going to look like once you are done laminating your eyebrows. So I'm really taking my time and making sure that none of the hairs is going like essay. I'm making sure that it's falling flat on my skin and it's really stuck in there, and it's in the shape that I want my eyebrow hairs to stay in. Okay, this eyebrow is done. Okay, I'm excited already. I am so excited. I mean, I didn't know I have so much hairs on my eyebrow. Like, wow. Okay, so moving on to my next eyebrow. Applying the glue very generously. Do not shy away from this step. Quickly setting my eyebrows in place. Okay, so there you go guys, both eyebrows are done, and yeah, looks good to me. I'm just gonna wait for some time for the glue to set properly before I go in with the next step. So next I'm gonna be using the perming solution. You guys, this perming solution smells pungent.
It smells nasty.
So I'm gonna be taking a toothpick, just gonna be taking the product on the toothpick itself. Okay. And now I'm gonna be applying it on my eyebrows. Make sure that you're covering each and every hair in this perm solution. Okay, moving on to the other eyebrow. So once the eyebrow hairs is nicely coated with the perm solution, I'm gonna leave it on for 10 minutes. So typically when you are done applying your perm solution, you are supposed to use a saran wrap or plastic to cover this up, but I do not have any saran wrap on me, so I'm just gonna leave it as is, and I'm hoping that it works. And I think it would work because the eyebrow hairs are pretty much glued onto my skin, like it's stuck there, so I feel like it's not gonna budge or move. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in 10 minutes.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so 10 minutes are up. I'm gonna be rubbing the solution off using a Q-tip, just being very gentle because I do not wanna disturb the glue underneath. Next step is to use a fixation solution and put it on for 10 minutes. Okay, so I have rubbed off all the glue. So this is what my eyebrows looks like right now. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be taking the nutrition solution and I'm gonna be applying a thin coat of it on my eyebrows. Okay, so I'm just gonna let my eyebrows absorb the solution.
A few moments later.
Okay, you guys, the moment of truth. This is what my eyebrows looks like right now. I have nothing on my eyebrows, like whoa. I love how my eyebrows are just going, you know, ऊपर की तरफ and not drooping नीचे. Wow, that's cool, you guys. That's so cool. So I'm going to quickly fill in my eyebrows using my eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to be back to show you guys the end result. Okay, so that is what my eyebrows looks like with me filling them in, and I have no brow gel on, by the way. It's only the eyebrow pencil. What do you guys think? My god, I love it. I love the way that it's looking. It's giving me those feathery laminated brows without my eyebrows literally sticking to my skin. I like it. I like it. Okay, so there you go, guys. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful. In case if you did, then don't forget to like this video and also share this video with your friends and family. I believe the kit that I purchased is currently sold out, but I'm definitely gonna look for some alternatives. I'm gonna leave a link to it down in my description box below. If you guys liked watching this video and want to watch more of such videos from me, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And while you guys are at it, come follow me on Instagram because I'm active there the most. I love talking to you guys over DMs. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel. It really means the world to me. I love you guys so much. With that, you guys, I'm gonna take a leave and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye, Linda.